Hello people, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new tutorial video. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing with you guys how I made this yumilicious Cripsy chicken. Yes, this chicken tastes so nice and yummy. So if it's something you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So the first thing I have here is my flour, my corn flour, and of course my spices. So for the spices, you can actually use any type of spices, the ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. Just use it to spice up the flour so that it can give it a nice taste, in your chicken, because the essence of that crispy is your flour, and if your flour does not really have a taste, trust me, you're not gonna enjoy your chicken. So after you've actually, given it, added all the spices, then you give it a quick mix, just like what I'm doing here in this video. The next thing here is my chicken. Please use soft chicken for this particular recipe, okay? So the same spices you use in your, in spicing your flour, you can use the same spices for your chicken as well. Please do not forget to add in your paprika when trying to spice your when trying to spice your chicken and also your flour. Of course, I had to wash my hands, you guys, because I don't want anybody to my car start telling me that you're not wearing glove. Not in this video, please. Okay. So guys, let's move on. So I had to, use my hands to marinate or properly mix the ingredient into the chicken so that we can actually marinate properly. Here is Macari's yogurt. Please, if you want to order my yogurt, go to my Instagram page at Macari's Cakes and Pastries and order for this Greek yogurt. So I use particular Greek yogurts for the, to marinate the chicken, you guys, and the taste, oh my goodness. Please, when you're doing this, I want to, let you know that you can also add in, a little bit of lemon juice. Just squeeze the lemon juice inside your yogurt and then give it a mix. Pour it inside your chicken, and then you mix it properly. So the next on my list here is the eggs. Eggs very important when you're trying to make crispy chicken. For the spices here, I use the ginger powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt just to spice up my eggs and give it a nice taste. So at this point, I had to give it a quick mix here so that all the ingredients can come together into the egg. And now, you guys, this is the one important step I want you guys to watch and understand. So you have to, get your chicken, you dip it into the flour, from the flour to the eggs mixture or eggs mixture, and from the egg mixture, you take it back into the flour. I wish I had some crumbs, which is, cornflakes crumbs or a bread crumbs. Yes, and actually, use it for this particular procedure or recipe. Okay. So after you've taken it out of the eggs, right, you take it to the floor, from the floor back into the eggs, and then from the eggs, take it, you add it or put it back into your cornflakes, so that, or breadcrumbs, like I said, so that it will give you that perfect crispy, texture of it. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So I encourage or advise people to do that. Okay. So at this point, I had to, exhaust all the chicken by repeating this process all over, and all over again. ensure that the flour or the cornflakes or breadcrumbs you're going to use for this recipe, ensure that it covers the chicken properly. If not, you will not have that, you know, crispy shape or of a crispy chicken. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So at this point, it I had to fry the chicken. I had to fry this chicken, you know, to give me that golden brown effect. And you know, this is actually a soft chicken. You need to fry it on a low heat, not too much low like that, so that it will not, you know, soak oil. You understand? So ensure that you always check check the heats of your stove or your cooker. Sometimes you can increase it to high heat or medium heat, but avoid, you know, using too much of a low heat, so that, like I said before, your chicken will not, you know, soak too much of or soak lots of oil. So you can see how this crispy chicken is looking like, you guys. Like I said before, if you do not coat your chicken properly, you will not get that crispy effect, just like what's, you know, what I'm showing you guys here in this video. I don't know if you guys get or understand what I'm saying. If the heat is too much, your chicken will not cook properly on the inside. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So at this point, I have achieved a golden, well cooked brown crispy chicken, and the taste of this chicken is, oh my gosh, you guys, can you check out the brown crispy chicken? This chicken tastes so delicious, nice, amazing. You can, you know, eat this chicken with a delicious salad cream. Yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got value from this video. If you've watched to this point, I really appreciate you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments, and let me know what you think about this particular video. Please, if you watched to this point, kindly drop a massive thumbs up in the comment section. With this, I'll get to know that you watched the video till the end. All right, guys, see you in my next video. Bye, guys.